5-year anniversary. I can't believe it. 5 years ago today, I started putting videos on YouTube on my Mustang. I had a white 66 Mustang coupe, and I started putting videos on, and they were pretty cringy. They're pretty bad. I didn't really know what I was doing in front of a camera. But here we are 5 years later, and I've been able to put together a channel that has helped a lot of people work on their cars, from Mustangs. I've even got my F100 that I've been doing stuff on. And then I've even sold parts that I have designed from the work I have done on my car and my truck. And I have on my website, KruseBuilt.com. In fact, that's why we're here. I have an anniversary sale going on right now on my website, KruseBuilt.com, for 20% off everything on the website. If you use the code 5 years in the checkout, just put 5 years in, it's all caps, and you'll get 20% off your order. Doesn't count on shipping, but for the order itself, 20% off for all the stuff I sell. You can get yourself some shirts and a hat, even if you guys are interested in this kind of stuff with the new logo for KruseBuilt. But I also sell parts for the truck and for my car. And if you guys go on there and check it out, there's probably something on there for you that'll help you out with what you're building on your project. The sale's going on from right now, August 21st, today's a Thursday, all the way through the end of the day on Monday, September 1st. Anyways, it's just a quick video, guys. I want to get the information to you about the anniversary sale. You guys have helped me as I've built my channel. You guys have supported me. All the stuff you guys have helped me with, all the comments you've given me, and then all the stuff that you've bought from me on my website. All that stuff has added up and helped me get as far as I am. And now I've got this new shop that I just got done building. And I'm excited to continue to build more stuff on my channel with the projects that I have. And I'm also going to be offering more parts on my website as we go along. So anyways, just a quick video, guys, let you know. Go to KruseBuilt.com. You can get yourself 20% off of your order on anything I sell on there. We'll see you in the next one.